National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lauderdale County in northwestern Alabama, northwestern Colbert County in northwestern Alabama, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:26 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a cluster of severe thunderstorms was located over Leedy, or 10 miles west of Utica, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Riverton, Wright, Threet, and Waterloo. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northwestern Alabama.